The Meghalaya Cabinet has approved several key initiatives aimed at strengthening financial access for self-help groups, improving governance and streamlining administrative processes. One of the major decisions includes the establishment of the Kongpla Tinka Cooperative Society, a state-level credit cooperative society designed to enhance financial opportunities for SHG women. Additionally, an amendment to the Meghalaya Contingency Fund Ordinance 2025 was passed, increasing the fund corpus to 1,000 crore to address additional and unforeseen expenditures. An amendment to the Meghalaya GST Act 2017 to enable simultaneous notifications for uniform implementation of revised provisions as mandated by the GST Council and Government of India.
We have decided today in the cabinet to open up a cooperative society, an apex cooperative society of the women's self-help groups for financial services. What this does basically is to allow more access of funds through again a cooperative model at the top and apex level, where all the SHGs will be free to join this.